Hello, fourth grade. Welcome back to writing. Today, we're going to be talking about the sequence of events. You've also heard this called the plot, but we're not going to talk about every part of the plot, just the main sequence of events. So, we're still talking about personal narratives. Yesterday, we talked about the narrator and how to give the narrator the voice that you want him to have. Today we're going to be looking at the beginning, the turning point, and the ending of a narrative. So if we think about the Three Little Pigs, I know the Three Little Pigs is not a personal narrative, it is not a true story, but just for the sake of example, we're going to talk about the Three Little Pigs. So in the beginning of the Three Little Pigs, the problem is that the big bad wolf wants to blow down their houses and eat them. Right? So that's our beginning. That's our problem. That's our conflict. That the big bad wolf is trying to eat the Three Little Pigs. Now, the turning point is when the big bad wolf goes down the chimney to get inside the house and goes into the pot, right? That's when everything changes, right? Through the entire story, we're waiting to see if the big bad wolf ever gets the Three Little Pigs. And this whole big problem is going on and building, and then bam, the turning point happens. And the big bad wolf is now in a pot in the Three Little Pigs fireplace. Now we know they don't let the big bad wolf out. Right, so the end is the big bad wolf is turned into wolf soup. So the beginning, the big bad wolf's trying to eat the Three Little Pigs. The turning point, the big bad wolf decides to go inside, and then everything changes because now he's in the pot. The end, the big bad wolf gets turned into wolf soup, and the Three Little Pigs don't have to worry about him anymore. So, just like in a fictional story or a short story that you read, your personal narrative should have a sequence of events that has a beginning, a turning point, and an end. So, I will be reading a story to you, or you can read it on your own, and you will fill out a chart with the sequence of events and the setting. And remember, the setting is the when and where that the story took place. Now, you might not know the date. You might not even know the time of year that the story took place. But the story, maybe it took place in July. Maybe it took place in the past. Maybe it took place today. And then where. That's the when, and then where. Did it take place at home? Did it take place at school? Did it take place at an amusement park? Did it take place in Indiana? In the United States. So remember, your setting is your time and place that your story took place, and then your sequence is the beginning, the turning point, and the end of your story. I will see you guys tomorrow.